How to upload Reels on Instagram from PC. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution. And today in the video, I'm going to show you how you can upload the Reels on Instagram right from your PC. So first, open the browser that you're using, tap in the search bar and type Insist. INSSIST. Press enter. After that, if you scroll down, you came across this link where it says chrome.google.com. Just click on that link. After that, you've been taken to the Chrome Web Store where you can add an extension. So simply, I already have downloaded the extension. If you don't have downloaded the extension, just click here, add on a Chrome. And once you download the extension, go on the upper right corner here, click on extensions. After that, click on Insist Web Client for Instagram. After that, click on a plus button right in the bottom center. Now select the Reels section. So from now you can upload the Reel right in your Instagram account. Just select the video that you want to upload. I just select the video, and now it's gonna be uploaded for me. Now the video is gonna be uploaded for me on my account. So that's how you upload the Reel right on your Instagram from your PC. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be answering them as soon as possible. So guys, I'll catch you up later in the next video. Until then, have a good one.